Hey guys, what's up? It's Dustin Mankin, Excite Video Magazine. And I don't know if this is a vlog or what exactly this is, but today we are going to be doing some stuff with the drift spares, and I have taken one valve stem out. Dude, I do not know where I'm going to find these around here, but this rubber was destroyed, so there was no way that guy was holding air. Anyways, if worst comes to worst, I am down to only 2 drift spares, but fear not, we're gonna start with this guy, and I've already taken it out of one, and I'm gonna show you how to take it out of the other one, just in case you are curious. What we need to get is right down here, and it's this nut right here. And this is actually on this wheel, a 14 millimeter. I'm gonna take my 14 millimeter, and that's right, let's see, lefty loosey. And that's how easy it comes loose. You do not need a lot of tension on these guys from what I've heard. And now it's loose. So let's get this wheel up. And here you can see the back of your valve stem cap. Now there is probably a particular tool for this, but since this washer, this gum is finished anyway, I'm just going to use this clip puller to get this guy out of here. Now, if one of you guys is a wheel guy and you know something that I don't know, please feel free to share that information with me. And you're just going to do a little bit of wrestling here, and it will come out, obviously. I got the other one out. And just let everything fall. And technically the way that goes is like this, and this rubber goes next. Bring it a little bit closer here. And this washer and then your nut. And that's how it is when it comes out. And this one I've been cleaning on my wheels, so this one did get cleaned up a bit. Now, my problem is this is a little bit harder to find in Japan. But in the meantime, there is a part shop in the neighboring town. So when I go to work today, I'm gonna leave a little bit earlier, and we're gonna try to find some of these pieces. I hope we can find these. And while everything's apart, I am going to be washing these wheels. That is not going to be in this video. That's going to be in the next video that comes out either tomorrow or the day after. So keep your eyes ready for that one as well. Let's go and see if we can find these pieces, and let's see what's going to happen with this saga. All right, it's the next day, and I went yesterday to 2 shops. One that specializes in car parts for mechanics, and they only had the old-fashioned straight rubber kind, and they suggested I go to Yellow Hat, and Yellow Hat did not have anything, but one of my friends online said to try Autobox, and I'm sure Super Autobox would be better, but we're gonna go into Autobox real fast and see what we can find. I don't know if I'm allowed to film in here, but I'll try to get a little bit of video if I can, and if not, then it is what it is. All right, and they were watching me kind of in there, and I just didn't want to cause any problems, so I went ahead and cut it off. They did not have any valve stems, but they told me they can put them in, like, okay, so they have them, but they can't sell them to me. But if I get my tires installed, they will put them in, and if you bring your wheel and your tire, it is only $8. That's what I would have had in 2 valve stems anyways, and then the shipping would have been another $8. So for the price to mount and balance 2 wheels for them, That's what I was going to pay for those parts anyway. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'll probably go back up there to do that tomorrow. So we're going to go ahead and end this video today. And then in tomorrow's video, we are going to wash these wheels and we are going to get them ready. And at the end of that video, we are going to go up to Autobox and we are going to see if they can for sure install that and see if we can bring this saga to a close. And if not, then I'm still going to find a way to get those valve stems in and we are going to make this work. I'll see you guys in a video tomorrow. Peace.